Hi, good morning, students. I hope all of you are staying safe, healthy. Today is our science subject lesson. We'll continue with the Unit 7, rusting. Okay, so what is rusting? Rusting is, in Malay, we say it as pengaratan. Okay, rusting, karat. So let's read about this dialogue. Okay, hello friends, my name is Ray. I'm Chan's favorite toy car. This is my story. Father, this car is not moving although new batteries are used. Let me check. Okay, so what happened? The dry cell holder seems to be rusty. Okay, so can you see it's in the a brownish color like that? So it has already changed color. Rusty, can you fix it? Now use the remote control to move the car. Wow, this car can move now. Thank you, Father. I'm so happy. Friends, why do you get rusty? Okay, why are some parts of the car rusty? How to prevent rusting from occurring? Okay, let's look at the characteristics of rusty object. Okay, so I'm sure all of you have seen this kind of situation in your house, some of the items or some of the objects get rusted. Okay, for example, metal spoon, metal fork, and some other objects that can be rust after some time. So how does it happen and why happen? All that we will discuss in this topic. Okay, but before going into deep on the rusting, so we have to learn about the characteristics of rusty objects. What are the features that we can say that object is already get rusted? Okay, so there are rusty objects around us. Rusty objects have certain characteristics. Let us read the story below again. Okay, um, the window handle has rusted. Look at the color. It is reddish brown. Oh, it's stiff. It's stiff. Okay, so this is the window handle and it got rusted, but he just said, and then the boy said, yeah, it's stiff. Stiff means keras, can't move. Why does the hinge make a loud sound, Mr. Zaki? This is the hinge, when you open, it makes sound. Okay, the hinge is rusted. Okay, the surface of the hinge is rough and the screws are brittle. Okay, brittle like, mudah pecah. Okay, so if you notice here, characteristics of rusty object. So you have to do one fun activity. It is not a group activity for you. It's going to be individual activity. Okay, so identify rusty objects found in the school compound, but we are not going to do in the school now. We're going to do at home. So all of you, you're going to find any rusty objects around you. Based on the observation, discuss the characteristics. So you're going to write the object and then what is the character of the rusty object. Okay, then you're going to construct, you're going to put in a table and then going to present to me. Either it can be in a PowerPoint or a Canva or whatever you want to do. Okay, so you're going to do this topic. That means you're going to find objects that are rusted around you in your house. Okay, if there is any, you're going to write in put it in a table form and then send it to me. Okay, so you're going to list the rusty object that you have observed and what are the characteristics. So you have to answer the questions as well. Okay, and then rusty objects. Okay, we don't have to do this now because first of all, you have to understand about the characteristics of the rusty objects. Okay, so please do on the this fun activity. It is fun activity, but at the same time, it's gives you a lot of information about the characteristics of the rusty object. All right. Okay. So this is your task today. Please complete it and send it to me. All right. Thank you. See you. Bye.